Hi, Ted Brooks with ALFRA MagLogix. I want to talk to you a little bit about the lifting family of magnets available through our partners at Precision Zone. These are incredible lifters, and one of the problems with lifting magnets is how thick the steel has to be before you can use it at the rated power load. That's a huge issue that people need to understand, and unfortunately I find a lot of my customers don't understand that in the first place. So let's talk a little bit about it. If you've got a 3,000 pound breakaway magnet, that's only half the story. The rest of the story is what thickness of steel do I have to use it on before I get 3,000 pounds. Typical magnet from one of my competitors, you may have to have that piece of steel 2 to 3 inches thick to get 3,000 pounds of lifting force. On this TML 1000, we've got 3,300 pounds of breakaway force, even on metal only 3/8 of an inch thick and thicker. If it's ½ inch, 1 inch, 2 inch, it's still 3,300 pounds of breakaway force. One of the things we do at ALFRA MagLogix is we always use a 3-to-1 safety factor because we're very concerned about you using our magnet safely, which means this 3,300 pound breakaway magnet is rated for a safe working load of up to 1,100 pounds. A lot of factors can go into that, and you've got to understand the concept of lifting. You've got to read the BTH 30 training manuals and make sure that you understand how to lift safely. But 1,100 pounds safe working load from a magnet that weighs a whopping 16 pounds, the same as most people's bowling balls, you've got power to weight ratios never before seen. This does it on only 3/8 of an inch thick steel. Its 8-pound little brother now is down to about 5/16 of an inch thick steel to give you a full 550 pounds, 250 kilograms, safe working load. That means that this guy's about a 1,700 pound breakaway. One of the advantages of these magnets is not just what we've already talked about, is that you can use them for everything you do in fabrication. If you've got a 1,700 pound or about a 3,300 pound clamping force and it only weighs 8 or 16 pounds, why would you leave it at the end of a hook and watch it every morning swinging from a chain? Take it out, use it for everything you do in fabrication and make your job easier. Good example. Let's just do some plate leveling. Whether it's tube stock and I-beams, whether it's a couple of I-beams together, whether it's steel plate, simply turn it on one-handed and you know that these two pieces are exactly flat to each other. How difficult is it to clamp something like this, clamp different thicknesses of steel? These guys have a baby brother, of course, when your work is a little bit smaller. When you're using up to 220 pounds safe working load, will do fine for you. The TML 100 is perfect. It weighs in at about 4 pounds. Breaks weight up to 750. The safe working load now is 220 pounds up to. And again, use it for everything you do. You can weld right up against these magnets. They're used for everything you do in fabrication, and they make incredible lifting magnets as well. The entire line of ALFRA MagLogix products is of course available through great distribution partners such as Precision Zone.